Hey guys, my name's Taylor. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller and I am outside of another Goodwill. The last time I was at this location, I found so many amazing things, so I'm hoping today I can find some really cool things. Let's go ahead and get inside and see what we can find. Okay, starting out, I found this Sweaty Betty Sherpa sweatshirt. This was in excellent condition. It felt so soft. It didn't have like any wash wear, so I did end up getting this. Okay, I found this really bold and vibrant Lily Pulitzer tank top. I love selling Lily Pulitzer, but this piece just wasn't substantial enough and they wanted $8, so I passed. Right next to that was another Lily Pulitzer t-shirt. Again, I passed on that just because it wasn't substantial. Okay, I felt this and I definitely thought it was like a cashmere blend. It was also very gently used and just really pretty. But it was J. Crew Factory and it was an acrylic and polyester blend, so I definitely passed on this. This was such a cute 90s vintage Ann Taylor sweater vest. It was 100% merino wool. I probably could have got it. If I sold on Depop, I definitely would have picked it up, but I did pass. Okay, I'm very selective when it comes to picking up Sorels, but these were just in excellent condition and they were in a newer style, so I did get these and I listed them for $65 on my Poshmark. Okay, I found these Free People movement joggers. These were so cool. They were like this really cool silver swishy pants. They were only $5.99, so I did end up getting these and I listed them for $50 on my Poshmark. Okay, these were a great find. These are Beyond Yoga spaced dye, like heathered leggings. These do really well in this brand, so I was so excited when I found these. Okay, I was really wanting to pick these up. These were Saturday Sunday by Anthropologie, like sweatpant joggers. They were only $5.99, and I thought I was gonna get them because they felt like they were in great condition, but there was like this stain that I could only see on the camera too. Like I could not see that with just my naked eye. I had to like look through my camera lens and it was showing. And then also I found a tear. So that definitely, I was like, okay, I'm definitely not getting these after I saw that. Me and my husband go hiking a lot and we love Merrell's, so I definitely have some bias when it comes to this brand, but these were just in such good condition and I definitely think I can make some money off of these. Every time I see this, I think it's Viore, but it's this Velocity brand. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I did end up getting these Athleta leggings. They were a newer style, they were in excellent condition, and the price was only $5.99, so I just threw them in my cart. I don't think I'm gonna get a ton for them, but I definitely think they'll sell. Are you guys selling Blank NYC anymore? I mean, this was an extra small, so I didn't get it, but I just wanna know how you guys are doing with this brand. I did end up picking up this Madewell button-up shirt. If it was an older style, I wouldn't have gotten it, but the inside tag said it was from holiday 2023, so since it was newer, I felt it would be a good pickup. Okay, I really liked the style of this jacket. It was giving like military style or like academia or like equestrian, those kind of things. I did pass on it because it was 100% polyester. And then guys, I found this awesome find. Oh my gosh, I found Faraday. This retailed for $178. So excited for that find. And then I also found this Lafayette 148 puffer vest. This was such a cool find. I listed it for $110 on my Poshmark. Also, my mom found this. This is Free People Beach. It's like this romper blazer type. It's such a weird piece, but it was pretty unique, so I did end up getting this, and I listed it for the $45 on my Poshmark. Okay, I went over to the men's section and I found these Prana hiking pants. They were a size 34, 34, so pretty cool. They were just really well made, and yeah, I just put them in my cart. Okay, so I ended up finding 3 pairs of Bonobos pants. My husband loves this brand, and these are all in his size 32 30s. So there's the gray pair, navy blue, and then a khaki. So I'm gonna try these out for him, and if they fit him and he likes them, then I'll keep them. But if he doesn't like them, then I'll just bundle them up and sell them. So I'm gonna take a chance. Hopefully they fit, and these would be great. And then I also found these Levi's baggy trousers, size 29. These are a woman's pant, but they were in the men's section. Only $5.99. These are so cool. I'm hoping they fit me and I can wear them for a little bit. $103.35 on 15 items. It came out to be about $6.89 per item. Here is my big pile of clothes. So I ended up getting a lot of really cool things in that thrift store. I'm so happy, and I definitely think I can make a good amount of money off of these items on Poshmark, so that is just so cool. And I'm excited to just get some good listings up. Okay, a few days later, I ended up going to another Goodwill, so here we are. I was thinking about getting this Levi's rain jacket. It was in great condition, but comps weren't great, so I did pass. Okay, I never pick up Express, but this made me do a double take just because it was so substantial. It was gently used, and it was like this animal print. I did leave it behind, but I don't know. Maybe I could have gotten that. Okay, I did end up getting this Woolrich vintage, like 80s duffel coat or pea coat. It was 100% wool. I liked the interior. It was a little pricey. I think they had it listed for $25.99, but I definitely think I can sell this for a decent price and make a profit. Okay, this is the brand And Other Stories. This retails for a lot, and there is a good following with it. I probably could have got it, but it just wasn't exciting. It was kind of boring, so I passed. And then right next to that was this ModCloth dress. This was so cute, but it was a size small, and I really try to just pick up the larger sizes within the ModCloth brand. Okay, I did end up picking up this Betsy and Adam prom dress. This was so beautiful. It was gently used. It was a size 16, and it retailed for over $200, so I definitely think I'll make a good profit on this piece. guys, I am outside of the Goodwill bins, aka the Goodwill outlet, and I am wanting some more inventory. I have so many, empty hangers on my clothes rack. I am ready to do some listings. I am hoping I can fill up my cart. Sometimes I come in here and I can just tell that, it's just really picked over. They're just keep putting through junk, even on the new rotations. So I'm hoping today is a good day and I can go in here and just like overload my cart, because I am just so ready to have a banger, bins day. So hopefully it's today. Yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, I found this Carhartt coat. The zipper was broken and this had an overwhelming smell of laundry detergent, and like the feel, I could just tell that it had so much detergent. So I did end up leaving this behind. Okay, this was kind of weird. It was in the home goods section and I was just so curious about this, so I did a Google image search, and this was used on the railroads, like in the trains, for people to spit in. It's like literally called like a spit can. I also found this John Varvatos coat. This is a great men's brand, and I picked it up and it ended up selling very shortly after listing it for $60. I also found this The Bar sweatshirt. This is definitely a Bolo brand. It had so many likers on my Poshmark and it sold very shortly after listing it for $50. I did post a video of everything I got in this bins haul, so if you guys are curious, definitely click on this link. I'll post it on this screen. Okay, I found this cool like cargo style utility men's jacket. Definitely picked this up and I listed it for $90 on my Poshmark. I also ended up getting this Anthropologie wrap dress. This was so pretty and it's perfect for the spring and the summer. Okay, I found this Madewell dress. I looked to see what kind of fabric this was. If it was 100% silk, I would have gotten it, but it was just polyester, so I did leave it behind. Okay, I did end up finding this Garnet Hill tunic style linen dress. It was really pretty, but it was an extra small, so I left it behind just because I thought it would sell for like $25. Just didn't think it was worth it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys are having such a good week, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!